Thank you for clicking on this video because it is packed with grants and services from government agencies, corporations, and nonprofit organizations for veterans, including disabled veterans who want to start a small business, start a farm, buy, adapt, or repair a home, and pursue college or career training. Special note, some of these grant funds are from veterans for veterans, offering dollars and a community of other veterans as mentors and colleagues. Let's get started. Grants for veterans to start a business. Listed here and linked below. 2 foundations offer grants as part of a business training and mentoring mix, all in a community of veterans who are business owners, the Street Shares Foundation and Warrior Rising. The U.S. Small Business Administration, or SBA, offers business funding options for veterans that include grants. And the Service Corps of Retired Executives, or SCORE, offers free mentoring by veterans for veterans. The VA provides a veteran entrepreneur portal to connect to federal services, become a federal government contractor, and access financing. Grants for veterans to start a farm. Listed here and linked below. The Farmer Veteran Coalition offers a small grant to begin farming or ranching. The U.S. Department of Agriculture supports veterans who want to farm. Contact your local USDA Service Center for details. Grants for veterans to buy, repair, or adapt a home. Listed here and linked below. Purple Heart Homes supports service-connected disabled veterans with home repairs and adaptations or home purchases. Receiving a Purple Heart is not required. Habitat for Humanity receives grants for its Veterans Build program and in turn provides free critical repairs in a veteran's home or will build a new home. Homes for Wounded Warriors will build an accessible home for 100% disabled veterans. Operation Homefront provides multiple services including housing options. The Home Depot Foundation supports veterans and their housing needs, but its grant dollars go to nonprofit partners that in turn provide direct services for veterans. And the VA offers grants for home purchases or adaptations in addition to its home loan program. Education and career grants for veterans. Listed here and linked below. Scholarships for veterans come in many forms. Linked below are 2 long lists of opportunities. Read carefully since an opportunity can expire before these lists are updated. The VA also provides education resources. Here are 3 career training resources for veterans. Entrepreneurship Boot Camp provides mentors and business training at no cost to post 9/11 veterans with a service-connected disability. In another partnership supported by the Home Depot Foundation, the Home Builders Institute offers training for trades conducted near some U.S. military installations. And the Lockheed Martin Heroes program provides fellowships to military members transitioning to civilian careers. Here are 3 more career training options from government sources. Hiring Our Heroes from the U.S. Chamber of Commerce Foundation, SkillBridge from the U.S. Department of Defense, and the Warrior Care Program from the U.S. Special Operations Command Care Coalition. What about immediate needs? First and foremost, if you are in personal crisis, please call, chat, or text the Veterans Crisis Line or the Military Crisis Line. VA benefit enrollment is not required. These are both linked below. If you need food, clothing, emergency shelter, help with bills, or immediate repairs, there are resources near you, named here and linked below. Call the phone number 211 to be connected to organizations near you that provide these services. And get free help with municipal, circuit, and probate courts in your state by contacting connecttohelp.org. I have more information for you regarding small business startups and options for disabled veterans, linked here and in the description below. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and maybe a subscribe to grow your grant-seeking results. I'm Tiffany. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.